We get asked a lot how to run power on a house, and I want to show you where a good place to put an inline female is right here. We have power coming out of our outlet on the other side of this bush. If I can get to this bush, it's going to come right here. We're going to run up this gutter right here, and so this is our hot line cutting across here to where DJ is. Now, we also are going to run our power line up to that top second piece. But we also need to run power down here to the pillars because we're gonna they wanna put lights on the pillars. And so they wanted us to run our lines. So what we are gonna use is a one plug right here because this is gonna be a power coming in. So we're gonna use a one plug. So this is power coming out of here, and then it's gonna tap into it right here. So that will give it enough slack for that to come down right there for that. So our line jumped up, it ran power. All of this is on one plug. So we got everything on here. And then once we came over here, we dropped down this gutter right here. So we dropped down this gutter and then we powered all the way across here. So this is how you're able to power everything on one plug. So you can see that we got it there, it runs up there. Now, if you look up in there, you can see that we put a little clip holding that in there. We do not want to wrap around that gutter. We don't want to go wrappy round around that gutter because what happens is when we go to take down, it won't come out. So this way we can pull on that wire and it'll pop right out of there. And this is how we install to make sure that when we come to take down, it's not taking longer than what it needs to take, right? And so I just, on this power here, I actually, on my extension cord coming up here, right here, I actually just put an inline female here, so when they start their minis off here, they'll be able to get their power right here. I also use the clip here so that while it's not there, it's not just hanging in the air. So again, it's just simpler to have him make it all one piece, one wire, so that way you don't have 3 timers trying to come on and off at the same time. And it just makes it look a lot nicer, a lot better. And so that, my friend, is how you hang Christmas lights. Go check out christmaslights.io if you need any lights, training, or anything I can do to help you. Have a great day.